Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup noodles with Yippee. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need a packet of Yippee noodles, about 2 cups of water, and any fresh vegetables you enjoy, like carrots or spinach. Don't forget your protein, perhaps some cooked chicken or a few ounces of tofu. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's get those noodles cooking perfectly. Pour about 2 cups of water into a medium pot and bring it to a strong boil. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add your Yippee noodles. Let them cook for approximately 3 minutes, stirring gently now and then. This ensures they separate nicely and cook evenly, getting them ready for the delicious broth. Now for the exciting part, adding all that wonderful flavor. Stir in the Yippee seasoning packet that comes with your noodles. This is also the perfect time to add your prepped vegetables and protein. Let everything simmer together for about 2 more minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures your vegetables are tender crisp, not overcooked. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary creation. Carefully ladle the hot, aromatic soup noodles into your favorite serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped green onions or a sprinkle of cilantro. Take a moment to appreciate your delicious, homemade Yippee noodle soup. It's a quick, satisfying meal perfect for any time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.